Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here in this left section we have to enter notifications. Now let's scroll down to find advanced settings, and as you can see on the status bar section, right here we've got show battery percentage option. So all we have to do in order to activate it is to simply tap on the switcher, and as you can see the percentage will be immediately applied next to the battery icon. Of course you can turn it off the same way, but let me leave it like this. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.